Guys, Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are on the GL1800 monotube kit. Beautifully made, all CNC. This is a 312511 GL1800. Okay, beautifully made thing, pressurized basically. Cartridge that you put in your forks, massively, especially on a wing that's slack as anything. Improves your handling, as you can see, all specially made to go in the bike. Also available for Harley Davidson Sportsters and Softails, etc., especially your baggage, your big touring bikes. With this being pressurized, you've got a massive amount more pressure from standard, you know, so you got almost, as soon as you get on a gull wing, you lose an inch of suspension minimum. So this particular system with a pressurized cartridge really improves your handling. If you're interested in any monotube kits, give me a bell. It's 01773835666, alternatively www.customcruisers.com. So this particular one, GL1800 Honda 312511. But a lot of the touring guys buy them, you know, whether it's for a CR, you know, KR650, whatever bike it is, or available for anything. So give us a bell. 01773835666, alternatively customcruisers.com or www.customcruisers.eu, our new site. Thank you.